Now the name of the game is to build a blade cooling system for the circular saw. That is, something other than a garden watering can. Let's make a water supply with a single nozzle for this blade guard and start experimenting with it. We can build more later, as long as we see how well this works. Now let's get to work.
Jaha, siitä lähtee nosta jalkaa. No, hyvä. Otas vähän tuohon pienempään poranterään ensin.
New morning, but old tricks. Look, here is this blade guard, where we built the water supply yesterday with you. Now we will install this in its old place and connect the battery and pump to the canister. Let's see how and where the water sprays. Here we go for the first test. Let's put that pump in that water canister and voila. It fit. I hadn't even tried it. It would have been embarrassing if it hadn't. And look at that as the plus wire and that as the minus wire. Let's see how it starts working. Water supply system it became. Very simple thing. This is nothing complicated. There is too much water now, some kind of control valve has to be built. That is not the story this time. And the fact that the hoses and wires have to be installed properly. The electricity has to be brought from the tractor. It has to be done with a plug, and the sawmill has to have a switch that controls the pump. But hey! This is the story this time, and next time new tricks.